Hey folks, hey, for you guys with a GM vehicle with a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine, just want to show you this. It's a little notice that was sent to a good friend of mine. Sure, it's the same for a GMC and Buick. You know, they got the Equinox, the Terrain. I forgot what the Buick has. This is the Trailblazer. I just want to show you this notice so that you guys will be informed. All right. I'm not sure this will get to everybody because sometimes if you're not the original owner, you won't be notified anymore. But check this out. Look what it says. On this Chevrolet Trailblazer, if you have a 1.2 engine, you may have a condition that could cause the turbocharger to fail. Okay, so it'll come up with a check engine light. It'll illuminate. You have a diagnostic trouble code, but doesn't tell me what code it is. I forgot what it was. I don't know if it was a U code or something, but I do remember it saying that there's a vehicle engine power is reduced. All right, so it says message will be displayed indicating that the vehicle's available engine power is reduced. So what they're doing here is they extended the warranty on it. Check this one out. For 2021, the Trailblazer, within 15 years of the date. So they said that the condition occurs within 15 years of the date your vehicle was originally placed in service for 150,000 miles. Whichever occurs first, the condition will be repaired at no charge. Crazy, huh? 15 years, 150,000 miles. That's good. They're going to honor that little 3-cylinder little engine. Over here, it says also for customers that are outside of the above years and miles, they are still offering a reimbursement if the issue occurred within the years and miles stated above. Interesting. That's very interesting. So that's good. So there's a form to fill out to get reimbursed. Hopefully you kept your bills. Mail it in. And hopefully you would be able to get some reimbursement for it. All right, you get some money back. Otherwise, hold on to this little notice over here. Show it to them, and they'll see if it'll be under warranty for you. All right, I'm going to attach the letters to the end of this video so you can see it, and then you can copy it or whatever you want with it. Okay, this is the one. This is the reimbursement request form. You fill it out. Don't forget, you need to keep your receipts. All right. So like I said, I don't know what the diagnostic code is. I don't know exactly what it covers, but just want to put it out there for you guys with the 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engines. Okay. So I don't know if they mean that the turbocharger is covered or the condition that caused the turbocharger to fail is covered. Okay. So got a check engine light, diagnostic trouble code, and you have the engine power is reduced light that's on the dash. All right. So that's the FYI, just for you folks, for my GM people. All right. Thanks for watching.